In this video, we're going to do a fun movement song that I bet most of you remember. And it's from one of the movements of Camille Saint-Saëns' Carnival of the Animals. Carnival of the Animals. Camille Saint-Saëns wrote this piece to introduce children to the different instruments of the orchestra. So in this movement, it's the Cuckoo Bird. This one is meant to introduce you to the clarinet. Now the clarinet is the instrument you're going to hear that sings ooh, ooh, like a cuckoo bird. So the game is, while the piano's playing, we tiptoe around very quietly. Shh, tiptoe. But when you hear the cuckoo, doo, doo, you get to go and an itty bitty tiny jump and just a little small. Because if you scream every time you hear the cuckoo, are you going to hear the piano music? No. So make sure you very quietly so that you can hear when the next cuckoo call happens. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay. I heard it. Did you hear it? Tiptoe. Tiptoe. Great job, girls. That's a fun one. It helped me remember to listen. And even though lots of piano music was happening, we're going to cut that out. Okay.